Today we're going to calculate how much steel it takes to make 25 of these consumer zero-turn lawnmowers. In order to produce the consumer zero-turn lawnmowers, there's 5 different sheet steel sizes that are utilized to produce this lawnmower. The first steel is 7/64 of an inch thick. It requires 44 pounds without scrap. The second steel is 1/8 inch thick, requires 265 pounds without scrap. The third steel is 3/16 of an inch thick, requires 151 pounds without scrap. The fourth steel is 1/4 inch thick, requires 13 pounds without scrap. The fifth steel is 5/16 of an inch thick, and it requires 12 pounds without scrap. 15% of the steel coming off the laser is scrap. We need to calculate how much material is required for 25 units. So to calculate the total amount of steel, we add up the 5 steel thicknesses, total 485 pounds. We multiply that by 25 units, and we multiply that by 115%, which is our scrap rate percent. That'll give us the total amount of steel required to make the 25 lawnmowers.